It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air.
Hi guys, welcome back to Twiggy Makeup series. Today is episode 2, which means today is the day 2 of putting makeup on myself every single day. So this is the challenge I decided to do because I was in kind of like a depression and anxiety for such a long time. And so instead of just let myself stay in that negative circle, I decided to do some changes every day. So put makeup on myself every single day is one of the positive changes I want to make. So you're watching Twiggy Makeup. Unlike yesterday, I did all the prep in front of the camera, but today I did all the prep like concealer, eyebrow, actually that's it, behind the camera. So today I'm going straight to the makeup session. I want to make sure that I have a little bit like metallic blue to it, and I love this like lightning shape. And you see he also have a little bit highlighter here, and his lips is almost like a neutral lip. So I've never tried neutral lips before, but I would love to give it, you know, a shot, because I think the purpose of this show, this series, this challenge is to try stuff, to explore stuff, and to embrace and to accept yourselves. That's really important, to try the things, even if I think it's a little kind of risky. I don't know if it's gonna look good on me, but it's always good to try. And today we're gonna use like not a typical makeup tool I would use, because you can see his shape is like super straight. I don't think you can do a very straight line like that without the help of the tape. Actually, I want to first use this pencil to mark the place that I want for this lightning shape, and then use the tape, and then I can fill it in. Okay, I think it's good now. I'm gonna take it out, trying to see how does it look like. Ooh! I love it. Oh my god, this is literally perfect. This is perfect. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Shit, this is good. Okay, and this is one eye, so we have to do another. Actually, as you can see, he did both eyes. I actually want a little bit different on this eye. Maybe let's do like a, well, I don't know. I'm gonna use a different type of metallic blue. So it's with this one. Okay, so let's do like a triangle, but how do I? You know, if other like people look at this and be like, ugh, women are crazy. We're not crazy. We just like to dress up a little bit. What's wrong about that? So yeah, that's the triangle I want. Please don't take off my eyebrow. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Oh. I mean, it's not perfect. Okay, it's okay. I just have a little bit metallic. So oh my god, I love this makeup. He also have a little bit curly eyelashes, so I want to try to recreate. Okay, how's that? Okay, yeah, it does have some volume, but it's not like too dramatic. Almost forgot, I have my Fenty Beauty Diamond Highlight. It's my favorite, like absolutely all-time favorite, no exaggeration. good. Look at this. Oh my god. Fenty Beauty is the best. The best. This is my all-time favorite. Again, it's Parapella. It's from Korea. The Magic Korean. Just a little bit actually. Like, I like to just. And I used to hate like glossy finish, but right now I think I love it. So this is Kiko. They have like a two side. I think it's really good. So for the final touch, I just want to add a little bit more highlights because I love this. To everywhere, like of my face. Oh, I want to do actually this lips is really good because it blends this so well. I usually like to add a little bit on my nose because it's really cute. Just like one dot. And just like blend it. Oh, you see this highlighter on here is so good. But this is day 2 makeup. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm so looking forward to day 3. You know what kind of other makeup I'm going to create. And this is my first time trying this like nude lip, which I never did before. But this is so exciting. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. Okay, see you guys on day 3.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the